Hey guys, welcome back and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this cute hairstyle. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. So for this hairstyle, I already did the cornrows for the front of my hair off camera. You guys know I'm struggling with cornrows. I'm not even going to lie. I'm struggling with cornrows. I don't know how to do cornrows on my own hair. So I asked someone to do this for me. I didn't film that. So let's just go ahead with the hairstyle. I went ahead to section my hair from ear to ear. I'm going to be doing some kind of cornrow, even though it's not neat. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing clearly. So I'm going to be doing like a cornrow at the middle of my head from my ear to ear. For the rest of my hair, I'm going to section it and then do a normal basic cornrow all the way to the back. Doing cornrows on my own hair is kind of a nightmare because I really don't know how to do cornrows on my own hair, and it's kind of embarrassing, I know, okay, but I'm still learning how to do it on my hair. It's something I have to practice again and again to get the hang of it because it's kind of embarrassing that I don't know how to do basic cornrows on my own hair. For the front of my hair, I'll be using this Lush hair to do the braids. I'll be using my crochet needle. I'll place my crochet needle at the side of my cornrow and then use it to pull out the braiding hair. That will cover my natural hair, and then placing another hair on top, I will go ahead to braid this down. I find this method easier when doing my braids, so I just stick to this method kind of because it's kind of easy for me to do my braids. After braiding my hair in front, I'll go ahead to crochet the back, and for the back of my hair, I'm going to be using this Lush hair. This is what it looks like from the pack, so I'll go ahead to separate the coils and then just crochet this on my hair. I'll place my crochet needle on my hair and then use it to pull out the hair through the braids, and then just tie this twice. So I'm just going to go ahead to crochet all of this on my hair. I used 3 packs of this particular Lush hair for this hairstyle. I could have used more, maybe like 4 or 5, so that it will look fuller. I'm just using my crochet pin to pull out the hair through my braids, and then I tie it twice. I'm going to show you guys the way I did the top of my hair. You remember I braided it from my ear to ear, so I'm going to place the crochet needle and then pull the hair through the braids. Take one side and then pull it out and tie that side twice, just like I'm doing. I'm repeating it again so you guys will understand. So I'm just pulling the hair through my braids and then tying one side twice. I hope it's clear. That's the method I'll be using all through the top of my head. I'm finally done. I then go ahead to moisturize my scalp with my oil. Next, I'll be adding accessory to my braids. Here I'm just putting beads at the end of my braids. Next thing I will do is to then lay my edges. After then, I'll take my scarf and then tie this down to make sure it's properly laid. And then this is how the hairstyle turned out. It looks so cute. I love the way it turned out. I love this hairstyle a lot. I will try to do it again in the future because I really like this hairstyle. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also if this is your first time of stopping by this channel, please subscribe. I really want to appreciate everyone that has subscribed to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.